All right, Christian, let's start you out with a look at the temperatures before we get really active as the day goes on. Already do have some thunderstorms, some heavy rain coming in some spots this morning. The temperatures this morning are in the 70s, so we are above the average of about 67 degrees now for this time of the year. 72 degrees at the Inner Harbor, South Baltimore, more of the same over towards West Baltimore. And good morning, Canton. Their temperature there is at 73 degrees. Parkville, 71, and Pikesville coming in right around 70. So those are the actual temperatures, but the dew point temperatures, yeah, just take this in. 70s. Look at this as we go through the rest of today. That's the face of so many of us as we head through the rest of the afternoon, the evening time frame, and even as we head into tomorrow, we're still going to have those high dew points. So the air that you wear is out in full force, unfortunately, again for today. This is what it looks like as we zoom in. Yeah, this is the heavy rain that I'm talking about right now. Isolated showers coming in. Thunderstorm activity will be more numerous, more scattered as we head towards the afternoon, and some of the afternoon storms will be on the strong to severe side of things. Right now, though, if you're in Reisterstown, Randallstown, if you're over in Cockeysville, this is coming in your direction. Hampstead also getting in on some heavier rain coming in across the area. Let's widen out the view because the culprit and the reason why we will have more thunderstorms that clash and become severe is because we do have that cold front, again, clashing with the air mass, this warm, humid air mass as we go through the rest of today. So again, that will be on the move as we head towards the afternoon, evening time frame it will pass. So once it does that, oh yeah, the severe weather will be upon us, and we do have a slight risk for the areas here shaded in the yellow coloring. So on a scale of 1 to 5, we actually are at a 2 there, but then elsewhere you can see some of the greens, the eastern shore, that's a marginal risk. So on a scale of 1 to 5, it is a 1. Bottom line for today, we will have the damaging winds, we will have some small hail, and also with some of those thunderstorms putting down a lot of rain, flash flooding still on the table, and an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. So that's our weather. Let's head off to the south where we're dealing with potential tropical cyclone 2. So this thing is forecasted to strengthen into a tropical storm as we go through the rest of today. And then before it's all said and done, yes, this could become a hurricane. If it does that, the tropical storm name would be Barry. And then this will begin to make landfall, I'd say Friday morning, actually Friday night, Saturday morning possible. Already what's up, tropical storm watches and also hurricane watches along the Gulf Coast. And again, this thing will move in. It's going to be bringing plenty of rain with it and also some gusty winds. Even as it moves inland, we can see tropical storm force winds. Now let's get a check of that traffic with